after a web series, straight to a Zoe Akhtar film, straight to a Yash Raj film
Yes.
as a lead, and that to Bunty or Bubbly. It won't be right, to compare it because obviously,
course.
you can't touch
Yeah.
that.
Yes.
First time I remember, entering the room and Saif sir sitting there, Rani ma'am and Adi sir, and I'm like, is this really happening?
Koimoi.com.
Hello and welcome to Koi Moi. This is Shubham Kulkarni, and today in conversation with me are the new Bunty Bubbly in town. Hello guys.
Yeah,
Hello, hi.
I don't think so you guys need any introduction now. सब पहचानते हैं आपको because the trailer has gone that wide and spread. But tell me, Siddhant, you started with a web series Inside Edge, and now Gully Boy, then Bunty and Bubbly. For you, it's a similar trajectory. How do you guys define this journey until now?
It's been, see, we are out of words because we never thought that it would happen so soon, at least for me. Speaking for me, that after a web series, straight to a Zoe Akhtar film, straight to a Yash Raj film
Yes.
as a lead, and that to Bunty or Bubbly. So it's been quite an exponential growth for me, and I think the same for her.
Yeah.
So we are very fortunate.
Yeah, we're really blessed
Yeah.
that we get to be a part of not just any Yash Raj film, but Bunty or Bubbly,
Yes.
which is their iconic film, And these names Bunty or Bubbly come with a lot of responsibility, and along with that, for us, it's a
Yeah.
huge blessing and a great opportunity,
That's my next question. Is it an
Yeah.
added pressure to be headlining a film that is this big franchise?
I think we've been a huge fan of Bunty or Bubbly, just like our whole nation has, and the whole world has actually. There's so many people who watched this film. So pressure maybe a little, but I think more than that, it's the responsibility to do justice to a film which was that iconic, and not just as actors but also as fans who've grown up and watched this film and loved it so much that now we need a newer generation to have that for us as well.
That's true. For
Yeah.
you?
It's the same. We've been huge fans of the first one, iconic. The dance numbers, the songs, the chemistry. It was a family entertainer. I remember watching it with my family, and one of the best. And I come from UP, so I kind of related to that world. And to be able to step in the shoes of Bunty and take this forward. Yes, it is a little pressurizing, but at the same time, I don't think I've been a huge fan of this. So I am a responsible fan. I know how if you're doing it right or if you're trying to push it, but I think it's just the approach is different. It's been 15 years. It's been a long time. The world is it has changed. It has evolved. There's so many new things and new elements in this one. So it's a fresh one. And it won't be right to compare it because obviously
course.
you can't touch
Yeah.
that.
Yes.
But it's just a step ahead. It's a story about today. So I think we'll have to watch this film with an open mind. And having said that, I promise the same kind of entertainment, the same kind of laughter, the same kind of emotions which we felt at that point of time when we watched the first
Looking
film.
forward to that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then being on the same frame with Rani Mukherjee and Saif Ali
Yeah.
Khan, for anyone जो उनको मिले हैं, they know the resume they come with
Yeah.
and how intimidating sometimes it is. Tell me for you guys, at any point, था intimidating? कहीं ऐसे लगा,
course.
guys,
Of course.
tell me that situation.
We did a lot of readings, all four of us, even though I don't think they need any, but they, yeah, but they used to sit with us
Yeah.
and, they used to read with us and they used to help us, in our character traits, and they used to really kind of be with us. They were there from the start.
Yes.
And they could have easily just come on the day of shoot and given the best take ever, but they still, I think, sat with us. Remember,
Yeah.
we were sitting
Yeah.
with Adi sir, and even Adi sir, because we all knew that
Yeah.
the first one was so iconic that we have to up our game.
Yeah.
So we all were kind of sitting with Adi sir and kind of reading and jamming on it. So I think they were very the first time I remember entering the room and Saif sir sitting there, Rani ma'am and Adi sir, and I'm like, is this really happening? but they were very sweet, and
Yeah, I think for us when we went on set is the first time when we saw them perform together, and Siddhant and I both remember that we were just looking at them.
Yeah, okay.
Like we were so awestruck that I don't think that we thought about pressure, not pressure, because we've been fans. So for us it was a treat. Like we were just looking at them perform, and then we had to think about it. We were like, shit, we have to also perform now after this. So let's get back to our own dialogues and because we were against them, so we had to kind of come up with our own flavor for that.
I mean, forget that we are in the film. I think
Yeah.
there's so many parts in the film which they have shot separately. So
Correct.
I'm excited
Yes.
to watch
Watch
that as a
that.
fan.
koimoi.com